In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-publish blog posts via Claude MCP with meta tags in Webflow. Open your browser and go to claude.a, then log in to your account. Once you're inside Claude, move down to the chat input area. At the bottom left of the message box, click the plus icon. A small menu opens. In that menu, click Add Connectors. This takes you into the connector directory. In the search box, click once and type Webflow. As the results filter, click the Webflow connector card. On the Webflow connector page, click Connect. This opens the Webflow authorization window, where Claude asks for access to your Webflow site. In the authorization window, sign in to your Webflow account if you're asked to. After that, look for the workspace section. Open the workspace dropdown and select the workspace that contains the site you created earlier. Then move to the Sites section. In the list of sites, tick the checkbox for the site you set up. Once the correct workspace and site are selected, click Authorize App. The authorization window closes, and you're taken back to Claude. Now you need to make sure the connector is active in this specific chat. Back in Claude, go to the chat input again, and click the plus icon one more time. Hover over Connectors. In that list, confirm that Webflow is toggled on. This matters because Claude needs access to the Webflow tools in the current conversation before it can create and publish the post. Next, click directly into the chat input field. Paste in your publish prompt. If you're following along from the pinned comment, pause here long enough to copy that full prompt, then come back and paste it into the message box. Once the prompt is in place, press Enter to send it. Claude now starts working through the request. First, it drafts the blog post based on your prompt. Then it begins requesting permission to use the connected Webflow tools. When the Allow Tool prompt appears, click Allow. After that, a second permission prompt appears. Click Allow again. Claude continues processing the task, writes the content into the CMS item, applies the meta fields, and republishes the site. Wait until Claude finishes and shows a confirmation message. The message will say that it created the blog post and published the site to the staging domain. Once that confirmation appears, switch over to your Webflow Designer tab. In the left sidebar, open the CMS panel. Inside the CMS panel, find the collection you imported earlier. In this setup, the collection is called Blog Posts. Click Blog Posts to open the collection items. You should now see one new item in the list. Look at its status indicator and confirm that it shows a published status dot. That tells you the item has already been written into the collection and pushed live through the publish action. Click the new item to open it. Inside the item editor, scroll down through the fields and check each of the populated sections carefully. Find the body field and confirm that it contains the blog post content Claude generated. Then locate meta title and confirm that field is filled in as well. After that, find meta description and confirm that this field is also populated. At this stage, you're verifying that Claude didn't just create the CMS item, but also completed the SEO fields as part of the same workflow. With that checked, the main task is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the blog post collection contains one live item. That item includes the body copy, a custom meta title, and a meta description, all created by Claude through the Webflow MCP connector. The site has also been republished to the webflow.io staging URL, which means the new post is now reachable on the live blog page through that staging version of the site.